Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick explanation on how you can open your Revolut business account. This is really useful for freelancers and businesses to manage multiple currencies and online payments easily. So once you go to your revolut.com, which is the official website, you will just have to click sign up, which is right here. And now that you're here, you will be prompted to choose your business type. So if it's only available for you, of course. So once that's prompted, you will just have to choose either freelancer company or LLC, and then you will just have to click next. And then, of course, you do have to enter your business information, fill in your legal business name, registration number, business type, and tax ID, and enter your personal information by adding your business owner's personal info and verify identity with photo ID. And then after that, you will just have to link your existing bank if required and choose the currency accounts. And then, of course, you do have to check all the info and then submit and wait for the verification that would usually take about a few hours to 1 to 2 days. And yeah, that's basically just it. Or you can also scan the QR code to download the app and you can, create your account there or fill in your mobile number. So yeah, that's basically just how you do it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.